This is just down the other side of Western Springs. We're walking, so we're seeing a part of, I think it's Fale Pacifica here, across there, going up. And then we've just come from the Fijian stage also, and next to that is the Tuvalu stage. So along here, we've got a lady who's teaching Hawaiian dancing. So it's called the Fale Pacifica, and it's really nice. It's really nice to see them learning how to dance Hawaii move. Beautiful. Well, so this here is, this part of Western Springs. It's a beautiful, colourful place to be. Once a year, look at this beautiful family, all in the theme of Pacifica Day. See, that's what you need to do. Come down and be like them. And just wear island things, and it's only for 2 days a week. You just do it for the day, and it's getting into the thing. Everyone should get into it. Come down here and wear fofos, wear necklaces, and everyone looks great. You guys look really nice. I reckon everyone should come in the theme, It's an island theme. You guys really look great, honestly.
He's taking his lay off.
Oh, yeah, but I think it's wonderful. I'm just doing I think you guys look great.
Now we're complete.
Well done, guys. Now that's what everyone should be doing, like them. Yeah, see, wear the island theme for the island day. And here, these guys here learning how to do the hula. I think it's Hawaiian. Look at that. They just learnt it today, I believe. Aren't they amazing? Yeah. I still can't understand though why the Niuean people can't be down around here where all the foot traffic is. There's really a lot of people around here, this area. Coming up from the top end where the rugby field is. Coming through here, so many people. So many people. There we go.